Kimmy, look at her work. Wow. I think she could be a wood carver someday. Isn't that how they do it? Oh, I think she's running out of gas. Show me your muscles. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that's how you do it. Kimmy, you getting tired? Huh? I think you got a new job there. Wow, this is... Kimmy, let's see you chop a tree down. Wow, yes, experienced. I thought he was a city boy. Whoa, my God. Do you have steel-toe boots on? Huh? You're going to get hurt. Well, you need to sharpen that blade a little bit. I got to take my mask off. Now this is like really exciting. Look at that. Oh, let's see the fire. See that fire? Oh, let me step down here. Oh. Get a better angle at this. Kimmy in the fire. She's cooking coconut. Oh, there's Mama Cat. Look at that, Mama Cat's up there. Helping Kimmy. Mama Cat. Wow, look at Mama Cat. Looks so happy. Oh, look at the water boil. You have coconut in there? Coconut juice. And what do you use coconut juice for? To cook meat and fish. The smoke is choking me. Wow, this is like it could be on National Geographic. A famous TV show. Oh, poor Mama Cat. Whoop. Kimmy. One of these days we'll have to buy a stove someday, so Kimmy doesn't have to chop wood when she cooks. Right, Kimmy? Someday we'll have to buy a stove so you don't have to cook like this. Oh. Well, that is really exciting. So, well, that's it for now. That's the excitement. This is what it's like to live in the countryside. You get to see such cool things like this. All right, later.